Mastering the wrappers of shrimp dumplings takes a while. So is it possible to make shrimp dumplings in just 15 minutes? I take on the challenge of making the quickest and tastiest shrimp dumplings by using rice paper. What will happen? Let's find out. On a plate, add the deveined shrimp, season it with salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix well. In a large steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil and place the shrimp inside. Cover the steamer with a lid. Steam until the shrimp turns pink and is completely cooked through for about 2 minutes. Remove. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and my homemade chili oil. To make the super tasty chili oil, click on the video right here. Stack some rice paper together and cut it in half. Dip a piece of rice paper in water for about 1 to 2 seconds. It will continue soften up after removal. Fold the 2 corners to the center so it looks like an open envelope. Place about 1 tablespoon of the shrimp in the center. Fold it in half and pleat it. Trim up the excess rice paper. Brush a dash of oil over each shrimp dumpling so they won't stick, and place them on a bamboo steamer. Do the same with the rest. In the large steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil and transfer the shrimp dumplings to it and steam for about 1 minute. And that's it! We have got ourselves a delicious, quick and easy recipe for shrimp dumplings. It's perfect for any meal, anytime. If you also like to make shrimp chowfit in just 10 minutes, click on the video right here. I absolutely love it. This is so delicious. So please comment below and share with me what are your favorite fillings for dumplings. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!